Hello dear students. Today we are going to study about the electric circuit, its construction and working. The electrical circuits are closed loop or path which forms a network of electrical components where electrons are able to flow. This path is made using electrical wires and is powered by a source like a battery. The start of the point from where the electron starts flowing is called the source, whereas the point where electrons leave the electrical circuit is called the return. Let's conduct a small experiment, and you would need an electrical bulb, wire, electrical tape, a battery. Connect the wires to the bulb and connect one end of the wire to the battery. Notice what happens. There won't be any change in the bulb, but when you connect the free wire to the battery and complete the circuit, you will notice that the bulb starts glowing. Therefore, the circuit must be completed in order for the circuit to flow. An electrical circuit complete only when there is at least one closed loop from positive to the negative end. This is the simplest form of an electric current. The circuit found inside a television is more complicated and has a different components. You might have seen these danger signs on electric poles, transformers, and sometimes even on some of the electrical equipment at home. It is to warn you about the danger of electricity and, if not handled properly, could be lethal and can even cause deaths. Electric wire sockets and live wires should be properly insulated and kept away from the reach of the children. The voltage in a small battery does not exceed more than 12 volts, but the voltage in a transformer may reach up to 11,000 volts. Faulty electrical circuits because fire. For fires caused due to electrical failure, use of water to extinguish must be avoided. There are special extinguishers for the same. We have come to a conclusion that electrical current flows only when there is a complete uninterrupted connection from a battery through different components back to the battery. Any interruption will stop the flow of current. Electric batteries should also be handled carefully. Never connect two terminals of the battery without a bulb or a load, because the chemicals inside the battery react so quickly that they generate an immense amount of energy, which can even cause them to burst. Electric circuit symbols. Every component and product of electric circuit contain a symbol. The symbol represents the part of the circuit in a circuit diagram. Both are basic set of symbols that are present in a circuit diagram. Simple circuit. A simple circuit comprises of the power source, conductors, switch, and load. Cell. It is the power source. Load. It is also termed as the resistor. It is a light bulb that lights when the circuit is turned on. Conductors. They are made up of copper wires with no insulation. One end of the wire is connected the load to the power source, and the other end of the wire connects the power source back to the load. Switch. It is a small gap in the circuit. There are various types of switches. A switch can be used to open or close a circuit. Electric circuit formula. Following are the list of formulas that are used in electric circuit, and they are as follows.